What's up everybody, it's your girl Something Flavor. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take your jumpsuit that doesn't really fit you really well and turn it into a really cute matching set that you can wear. So if you'd like to learn, just keep on watching.
Something Flavor.
Okay, so I had gotten my jumpsuit from Fashion Nova, and the one I had bought was this Fast Love Henley jumpsuit, and I had bought it in the size extra small, but when I tried it on, it didn't really fit me that nicely. It was really weird in the back. So the first thing that we're going to do to make this one piece into a two-piece is to take our ruler and with some tailor's chalk draw a straight line where we want our shirt to end and our pants to begin. And once we have our line, we're going to cut straight across as best as we can. So starting off with the top, we're going to take it and flip it inside out so that the wrong sides are facing out. And we're going to hem up the bottom. I didn't want to just do a regular boring hem. I wanted to do a lettuce hem because I think it looks really pretty. So in order to do that, we just started off like we're doing a regular hem by just taking the edge and folding it over and pinning it down. And we're going to do that all the way around the whole entire shirt. And once everything's all pinned up, we're just going to sew a zigzag stitch all around those edges where we pinned. To do the lettuce hem, it's actually pretty simple. We're just going to set our machine to a zigzag stitch and then set it to a short length. I set mine at 1. And to do the actual lettucing, all you have to do is just sew like normal, but pull the fabric from the back and from the front. And while it's making the zigzag stitch, just make sure that it comes off the edge just a little bit. So when the machine goes to the right, it's just barely coming off of the fabric and then catching it when it comes back to the left. Once the bottom is all sewn, we're going to take our scissors and cut off the extra fabric because it likes to fold over and hang out with the lettuce hem, so just cut it off. And this is what our top is looking like, and she is all finished. So now all we have to do is just work on our bottoms. To start, we're going to take our bottoms and we're going to flip them inside out so that the wrong sides are now facing the outside. And I took a piece of elastic and I measured it around my waist and then measured the width of it, which was 1 inch. Then I began to make a casing in the bottom. So for that, I just folded over the fabric 1.5 inches down so that it would be able to fit my 1 inch elastic through it. And I measured all around the bottoms and pinning them in place. Once everything is pinned, just sew a zigzag stitch all around the edges. Once you get to the edge, don't close it off. Leave a little bit of room so that you could fit a few fingers through so that we're able to slip through our elastic. To get that nice stretchy waistline, we're just going to take a safety pin and pin the edge of our elastic. And holding onto that pin, we're going to scrunch it through that little channel that we had made. And we're going to scrunch it and pull it all the way through until it reaches the other side. Once it's out, we're just going to marry it to its other end and sew a really good zigzag stitch up and down so that it's really strong. Then to finish off the project, all we have to do is just sew shut the little hole that we had left so that we could fit the elastic through. And boom, we have our really cute matching set that we were able to make from a jumpsuit that didn't really fit right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a really easy fix for a jumpsuit that didn't fit. If you have any questions or some suggestions, just leave them below in the comments. Hit the bell so that you get notified every time I post a video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.